Here we are, guys. Welcome and namaste to Gurkha kitchen. This is how I prepare your food every single time. Every time individually, cooks everything fresh. That's a paneer chili. And whatever you order, I make right away in my kitchen. I don't pre-cook. I don't have anything frozen or nothing like that. Everything straight away from my fry pan to your table. And that's how you can enjoy your dinner. Thank you very much for your support. As always, thank you and enjoy, guys. Thank you very much from Nottingham, Gurkha kitchen. Thank you.
Hello, so enjoy your starter and I'll come back to actually how is it? Yeah. Cheers. So how was your starters?
Oh, lovely, very nice.
Thank you. Now I'll be back with your main course. Yeah. Cheers.
We open Thursday to Saturday 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. and Sunday is really good for your friends and family with everyone. We do have a Sunday buffet 1 o'clock till 8:30.
So how was everything? How is everything?
Really good.
Yeah. Yeah. He's enjoying his nuggets. Yeah. So you guys need anything else? Any more rice, curry, or drinks? All right, enjoy your meal. Lemonade? Yes, sure. Cheers, thank you.
Then you have to turn to me as well, please.
Very nice. Thank you very much, guys. Very honored to have this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chef.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.
I'm a bit slow, sorry.
I didn't see that. I'm glad you did.
Don't you start. You was with my son too long. That's what or perhaps not long enough. Put it like that.
Polish came out then. Oh no,
Nothing wrong with that school, eh? You all right?
like the Cornish pasties.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Somewhere here now.
Royal British Legion, Euguston Branch, Solvate of Appreciation. Certified to Gurkha Kitchen, inauguration of your invaluable and gracious assistance to memorable bike ride for two veterans. 31st August.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, I found the space for this. Here we are. Thank you very much.
What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you around the whole restaurant in Gurkha Kitchen, Nottingham. Let's go. So here the Gurkha Kitchen is, the whole building, and the Beatles here are mini baby. The tire's flat, if you can see a little bit here. It's a little flat there, but it's okay. We're going to be just exploring. I'm going to be showing you guys around this building. Let's go. Of course, the Gurkha Kitchen, restaurant and bar. Welcome to Gurkha Kitchen. Sign is here, but if you didn't know that this is not the entrance. The entrance is, I'm going to show you, have to go down. So let's go. I'm going to be showing you around here. So the real entrance was not there. The entrance is, so if you go down here and then here, then that's the entrance. It's like here, that's the entrance. I'm gonna show you around. This is the whole thingy. Today's Sunday, so there's buffet, but these are all the seats. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the garage. I have 3 beauties here, so one over there, this, and of this, And then that's the electric bike. And then that's my third beauty. That's a dirt bike from Harley Davidson. Whole flag always. But this is still the restaurant, but they make mango lassis. So if you come here in Gurkha Kitchen, Nottingham, get a mango lassi. Or if you go down there, you can go, but I'll take the long cut. It's like you go from. So this is like the long cut. So you have to go through there, and then you'll see the bar, and then if we go in, there's like tons of people, and then I'm going to show you the shortcut from there to the restaurant, and then it's like a really shortcut from there, but from here it's like pretty much like 1 minute to walk. Like 30 said, not even 30, like 50 or something like that. So that's the Harley's Lounge, and yeah, there's a birthday boy. Everyone's here. That's where I came from. That's where I came from, and the shortcut is here. So go through here and here. We're back in the restaurant. So the bar is just like there. But when I went from outside, it seemed very long. So that's the kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Many have eaten here, and few have lived. And Deep's kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. What's the target, Dadu? This is the kitchen. So now, let's go. So this is like where they pretty much keep a little bit of food. So them like things to put in the people's stuff. Wait, the light's not working, guys. Oh, here. So the smells very good in here. And then stuff like that, yeah. Let's go check. And then can you see from there, guys? I mean, I could, but yeah. So that's the end of the tour for today. Just make sure you like and subscribe, and work hard, play hard, join the fire.